Okay, somebody been holding out on me because I never knew that Nature Valley did savory bars. And it's the everything bagel one. They have other ones too, one with cheese and something else. I mean, every now and then I like something savory rather than having something sweet. And then let's see, 130 calories, huh? That's not too bad. But it's a kind of small bar, so it's not gonna fill anybody. But I guess this would be a good snack, as in what I want at this moment. Let's see if it actually looks like it was supposed to. Hold on. So it broke apart earlier. Sorry about that. Let's get a look at a piece of this.